My husband, Benedict Stambler, was really a pack rat. He loved Yiddish music and he collected records, the old recordings like, the 78th on shellac, Rosenblatt, Vigoda, Schlisky, all the great cantors. And the house was overflowing with records. We lived in a two-family house on Crown Street, and those houses all have big basements. So our basement was full of his records, and there was still more coming all the time. We rented another basement from a neighbor, and that got filled up. And he used to bring up an armful of records, and late at night when the kids were asleep, I had to sit and listen to them and tell them what I thought. And I got to know these Chazonische voices very well that way. And one night, I remember it was freezing cold. The heat had gone off in the house. I'm sitting there wrapped in a blanket, trying to listen to a record, and it got me annoyed. I wanted to go to sleep. I have to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. So finally I said, look, this is enough. I'm going to bed. And if you don't do something with these records, I'm going to take them out in the middle of Crown Street and smash every one of them. So I guess he thought I really meant it. He began to think seriously about this. And he looked into all the ins and outs of the technical side of recording. When we discovered that we could make records and didn't have to invest a fortune in it, he decided he would go ahead with producing that first record, 7 Great Cantors, that you like so much. And that has the catalog number of 590 because it was produced in 1959, was our first record.